Good evening, everyone. Alice here from Safi Financial Network. Today is November the 3rd, 2022. Okay, market had a very ugly day as we expected. The downside move still is continuing, and market just lost its trench on the SMA 20 and heading down to 3660. I believe that's going to be the next step for the market. Okay, so um, tomorrow will be NFP numbers are coming out, and I don't know what would be, but if we get a strong number, market continues its downside. If we get kind of expected or weak number, probably that's going to give market, or at least the market anticipates it's giving a green light to the Fed. Hey, we are slowing down the job market, and you shouldn't push on the interest rate hike as you are doing just because market is slowing down. So we don't know what would be the numbers, so we are just looking at the chart. The chart is telling us we are at the bear market, even if we get a bounce, which could be happen, to be honest, which could be happen. And if this bounce happens, I would say it can't go more than 3,800. So that would be 80 point bounce, and then probably it's coming down. So because this area would be, I'm just waiting for this area. So I'm just waiting for this area to get a bounce to reload to my short position. I'm not expecting market is going all the way up to here, at least for now. Even if we get a sell-off tomorrow, then we will have probably a bounce period during the CPI numbers or midterm election next week. Then it's going to be another shorting opportunity. So stochastic wise, we are just getting close to the fast line is getting close to oversold condition in stochastic. Um, uh, RSI just reacted very well to this resistance area. It's coming down below 50%, which confirms that we are in a bearish momentum. MACD is signaling down, and it confirms that we are in bearish momentum in daily chart. If you go to 4 hours chart, by the way, SPY traded 86 million today. Yesterday it was 127, I believe. That was pretty ugly sell-off yesterday. Um, so again, this is 4 hours chart. We are just in tons of support here in short term, and probably we will get a bounce. And if this bounce is happening again tomorrow, so I'm just saying if this bounce is happening tomorrow, probably we are getting above this, but we are getting middle of this candle. So just 3790 to 3800, that would be great area for reloading short. So I'm just waiting for that one, to be honest, because I'm in short. I have put option, I have short position both in Nasdaq and S&P 500 SPX in futures trading. But I'm just waiting for a bounce to just reload, because that's going to be good opportunity. Market has a good momentum to the downside, so we are going to take a benefit out of it. All right, so let's go to hourly chart, shorter time frame here. Okay, so here's the hourly chart. Hourly chart is telling us we didn't have enough bounce from this nice, if you just zoom in here, just give me a second, sorry. Yeah, so this is a nice demand area. So one flip-flop actually to the upside, and look at what happened. So we're just coming down to test this demand area, which is a fresh, and that's why this bounce happened. But this one doesn't have enough momentum even to engulf the previous pivot. So even with this bullish consolidation forming, which I thought that okay, that's the sharp bounce, and probably this bullish consolidation gives us ABC to up, but this ABC to up didn't happen, and it was not successful. Right now, market still in future market just opened 12 minutes ago, still in downside momentum. So I believe this one is taking out, and 3660, that would be the second or the next step for the market to target it. And if we take out this, we are going all the way down to 37, uh, sorry, 3579 to 3600. So watch out this number, just because tomorrow probably we will get, if we get a strong number, we will see market is going all the way down to here. So that's going to be 100 points or more than 100 points. And I'm not surprised. Actually, I'm not surprised even if we get to the upside, like to 3800, because numbers, tomorrow's numbers are very, very interesting, because market is waiting for good news to have a bounce, to be honest. So bears actually don't allow them, or don't allow bulls to take over the battle. Bears are having very, very good control on the momentum. But market, I mean, lots of people are hopeful. Still, lots of people are hopeful that we are at the bottom. And this means we are having lots of buyers on the side, and they're just waiting for opportunity to get long. But when we have these tons of bullish sentiment still, at least on the side, I'm just looking for more downside, because people don't feel the pain. Still, people don't feel the pain. Still, people think that when we are down a year, that would be a short-term volatility. But folks, remember my last November, exactly last November message to my channel. I told this bear market is not going to be resolved in short term. So that's what I told you. And to be honest, I'm not surprised to see if this bear market still continues for the most part of the next year as well. So probably September, December next year, we can see some sign of light at the end of the tunnel. Right now, the economy is strong. Federal Reserve is tightening more and more, and that's going to be bad poison for the market, for the stock market. All right. So for tomorrow, we don't know what would be the number, but we know if we take out this pivot, the next trench would be 36 to 3660. All right. And the upside target would be 3800, which is middle of this candle. And probably we are just taking out this. Everyone is getting buy, 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 and then market just touch it here, probably this area. This is a nice area, and then we are going down again. Okay, so I think I wrapped up everything. If you like this video, please smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and have a good evening. We will see you tomorrow on weekly analysis. Bye bye.